Hello and welcome to my channel. Growing up is fun. So today on this video we are going to learn how to join two cursive letters. Now before we begin, if you have not watched my previous video on how to write small cursive letters, please do watch it. I would be giving you the link on my description box. You can look at that video. And those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that I could give you such knowledgeable and more creative videos. So let's begin with this video. So we would be joining two letters. So we'll begin with A, B. A, B. Like this. The next one, K, D. Now what we are doing? We are joining A, B, C, D. Now we'll join E, F, G, H, I, J. Like this, you would be joining two letters, and once you have done practicing these joining of two letters, then we'll begin writing with three letters. So the next step would be joining of three letters. Now you need to join these two letters till letter Z. Do practice of it daily, then only you would be able to write the three letters, joining of three letters. Alright, now we will learn how we can join two letters and make a meaningful word. Okay, like A, M. Now watch my pen how it's moving. Okay, in the same way you will write A, M, am. A, an, a, t, act, a, s, as, and a. Now if you will notice, these all are nothing but sight words, which we generally make the child learn before we begin joining the three letter words, or which we call it as CVC words. So a or sorry, a, am, a, an, a, t, act, a, as. Okay, like this you can do it with other letters. Now here I have joined two letters with E, and these are also the sight words with E. So if you will notice, I started from the last blue line, H, E, he, B, E, B, M, E, me, and W, E, we. Okay, so this is how you will join these two letter words, and these are also sight words of E, letter E. Now I will show you the next one, which is with letter I. So now cursive capital I, how do we write it? I'm going to show you. It's like this. You'll start up from here, go up, come down, and like this. This is I, cursive I. Alright, so we generally also write in the beginning I am a girl. So like that. So like this you would write capital I. Okay, so I have one more video coming up where I will show you how to write the capital cursives also. So stay tuned for my upcoming video also. Very soon I would be making another video on capital letters of cursive. So now let's continue. The next one I have it. 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 Is. If. If. In. So what you have to notice over here is just how my pen is moving. If you would notice it very keenly, you will come to know how you need to follow the direction of writing. In cursives, the main focus point is to move your pencil up and down, and in curves and loops, as I had told you in my previous video also. Alright, so these are the sight words and this of letter I. Alright, now we'll come up with the next one, which is letter O. Now I will be showing you how you can join the words with letter O. O makes the sound O. So O, on, O, f, off. Now we will put this O at the end. O, so. Now the sound is changing. The sound of O has changed to O. O, no. D, O, do. Oo. And the next one, G, O, go. Okay, now few sounds do change, so you just need to know that you need to focus on your writing skills over here. So on, off, so, no, do, go. Alright, and with letter U, you just have one sight word. As we are doing only 2 letter sight words, so we will focus on one, that is up. Now I have used sketch pens, so that's why the loops are not so visible, but for P or generally you make a loop like this and then like this. Okay, H, P, F, L, generally you have to make a loop like this. Okay, fine. So thank you everyone.